Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Gold has taken support from the previous level which I have told. If you have watched my earlier videos, I have given you a level that was 4100, and I told you that price might take us buying from this level, and price has come to that point and took a little bit of buying, showing us some buying over here. That this shows me that 4 hour string structure is still respected, and we are about to take out this liquidity because let me analyze you the 4 hour structure where my 4 hour structure from this high to this low is still bearish, and this is our 4 hour key level. Okay, it is also aligning with my daily point of interest. Okay, and now what we can see that the price has come to this point and will try to take out this liquidity which is resting above 4221, and price on the 4 hour basis is now after giving internal structure shift, price simply just giving us a lower low and a high over here. Okay, and now my 4 hour structure is bullish at this moment, and since we know that we need a lower high. Okay, and for getting that lower high we need to confirm it on 1 hour, but we haven't seen any kind of 1 hour structure shift. But we can see over here that price has just swept a liquidity over here and trying to give us a momentum, bullish momentum over here, which can definitely in future can be seen as a bullish momentum over here. Okay, which will try to take out the external liquidity which is situated at this point, which is above 4220. Okay, now we need to see what in the 15-minute structure. We need to see a structure shift over here. We have the 15 minute is still on a bearish side where we are getting a lower high and a lower low. Okay, so now still my 15 minute is still on the bearish side. We need the structure shift of this bearish momentum. Okay, so what we need to wait because there is, okay, these lows are weak lows over here. So what price might do? Price might come to take out this liquidity first and will try to give us a strong zone over here, which can hold up the price to move further. Because in future, currently this is a protected low on the basis of 15 minute. Price might show us some kind of sell off from this level where we can see some kind of profit booking, because all we can see that from this swing to this swing, okay, from this high to this lower swing, we have got a volume burst over here, and whoever has bought from the this lower line on the basis of 5 minute structure shift, we have got a 5 minute structure shift over here. Okay, they might book their profit at this round number which is 4150. Okay, so we can see some kind of a little bit of selling on the basis of 5 minute or 1 minute. Okay, over here, and unless and until we get a liquidity sweep from this region, we can't expect the price to move further over here. So right now the bigger momentum for this gold chart is to take out this swing which is 4221. Okay, because 4 hours is still on a bullish side. First of all, a second, 1 hour hasn't shown me any kind of liquidity run towards a downside, and any kind of structure shift also. So price is still on a bearish side, and price has just tapped on the major order block area which is situated over here, and it is also a break and retest zone of 1 hour. Okay, so now what price can do? Price can simply move up higher to take out this swing, and then we can think some pullbacks over here on the basis of 4 hour. Okay, we have got some imbalances over here also, and price is going to take out this swing also, because this is the most protected low high over here. This is a protected high because this swing took out previous swing high over here. So this is still a bearish market. We are just referring to a pullback wave on the basis of 4 hour right now, and my 4 hour structure is still bullish, and 1 hour had took a support over here. So we need what? We need at least internal structure shift to take some kind of buys out over here. Right now, 5 minute is showing us some kind of bullish momentum over here. We have got an internal IBUS over here. Okay, over here we have got an internal IBUS. Okay, sorry, this is external. I need to internal IBUS. Okay, and now what we can expect from the market is that we will definitely follow this 5 minute structure over here, where now 5 minute structure is bullish from this side to this side. We can take out this liquidity or this liquidity, and then we can move up further higher, coming to take out this equal low situated over here. Okay, so this is the future um, prediction of the gold chart, from where we can expect the price to move up further, more higher up towards upside, taking out that major liquidity situated about 4200. Okay, and after that we are going to take a deep pullback where we can liquidate these all lows over here. Okay, So this is the analysis of gold. Let me quickly look up to the euro chart. Okay, the euro chart is stuck in a range over here where we have got an NFP candle over here, and it has created a range where this has been the low of the NFP chart, and this is a swing high of the NFP news candle. Okay, and now it is stuck in a range right now. Currently our swing structure is bullish over here. We have got a liquidity run towards upside. Okay, and we are following this demand zone over here, and after that we have come to a area of demand over here also, where price is taking out some internal liquidities over here, and price might give us some bullish momentum over here also to take out these highs, because these are all the open liquidity section where price might in future go to take out all those orders on the sell side. Okay, looking up to the 1 hour chart, we can clearly see that price is still bearish, bullish right now, and we have got some kind of higher low and higher high pattern over here, where this is my swing high, this is my swing low. We have yet not liquidated this liquidity over here, and the second liquidity situated over here. So in future price might take out this swing or this swing, and then it could potentially go to the upside over here. So on the shorter time frame, like on 15-minute, we might see some kind of sell off right now, because we have got an internal structure shift over here. Okay, and after that, this is my 15-minute wave going on over here, where this is my swing high and this is my swing low, and this is a protected high over here, from where we can look up for the little bit of pullback on the basis of 1 hour over here. Okay, so keep your eyes open. If we get some kind of sell off from this upper region from 44400, then we can definitely on the 5 minute basis, we can definitely go for short opportunities over here, where we might take out this liquidity or this liquidity over here. Okay, coming back to dollar chart, because we need to identify the dollar also before going to take any sort of trade ideas on currency pairs like euro USD or GBP USD. So dollar is doing what? Dollar structure is still bullish, and we have taken out this significant liquidity over here in the basis of daily, and we are about to move up higher to take out this swing over here. Okay, to confirm that we are going to take out this liquidity over here, we need at least 4 hours to give us a closure above this last liquidity candle. Okay, since we have not got any kind of closure over here, we can't expect that price might go to the upside, but there is 70% chances that price might follow this liquidity of the daily time frame, which has got stepped earlier. So still my view on the dollar index is to look up for some kind of upper region pullbacks over here, but my 1 hour structure is still bearish over here, where we have got a liquidity run towards downside, and my 1 hour structure is still on the lower low channel. Okay, this is my swing high, this is my swing low. We are about to take out some liquidity. After taking out this liquidity or taking out this liquidity, we can potentially see a 15-minute change of character, and we could push little bit of down momentum to take out these swings or fill out these imbalances. Okay, over here on the basis of 4 hour also, we are following a channel over here which is situated like this. Okay, and we might see some kind of retracement to this point. After that only we could get some kind of bullish momentum, where we could liquidate this lower trend line, and we could follow 1 hour structure shift, and we can follow the upper momentum following the daily time frame swings. Okay, so still for on the euro dollar index, we could look up for buys over here. After taking out liquidity, we could see some kind of pullback, because these lows are weak lows over here, and might in future get hunted over here. Okay, so have an eye. If price comes to this point 99.80, then price can show us some bullish momentum on the basis of 1 hour. In short, that 1 hour is still in your sell side, and we might see any kind of retracement in future over here. Okay, moving to BTC, Bitcoin is still in a range. We have told you level over here on the 4 hour, that we have tapped on the 4 hour key level over here, but it is still on a range over here. Let this range give us a breakout towards downside, because 1 hour is still in your uptrend over here. Okay, where we have liquidated these lows. Okay, and this is your protected low over here. Okay, protected low which will act, the buyers try to hold over here, and we have got a plus wave, pullback wave, plus wave over here. This is your daily key level. Price has come to a point which is break and retest zone of 1 hour. Okay, and from where we have got a bullish momentum following this trend. Okay, and after that we have got a swing structure shift over here. So if price breaks below this region, we could definitely see some kind of a retracement towards taking out lower liquidity over here, or else we could follow this structure of this bullish momentum, where we could see that we might come to this section over here, and this section will try to hold up on the basis of a 15 minute. Okay, now your 15 minute has got you plus wave, pullback wave, and plus wave over here, but it is still bullish from my side because we have got a run towards upside over here. Okay, and your 15-minute structure is still on a bullish side where we have got a plus wave over here, and this is a pullback which will be referred as 5-minute structure, not 15-minute structure. Okay, so let the price come to this point. Okay, and then and only we could see some kind of reaction from these levels over here, because POI candle is not that much of important over here. It is a doji kind of candle that tells us that no institution is available on this side. Okay, so price will definitely try to take out this order from the key level. Okay, so this is the whole idea for the Bitcoin. Still we are looking for some upside momentum, seeking out this liquidity over here, and then only we will try to have a 1 hour liquidity run, and then we will try to short the market. Okay, so this is the overall view of a Bitcoin. Let me tell you about Nasdaq also. Okay, Nasdaq has shown us some sell off over here, where a price is stuck in a range over here, where this is your upper resistance and lower support over here, and we are following. We are currently consolidating in this whole range. But if you refer to daily time frame, you can clearly see that we have liquidated the daily last liquidity section over here, and we are about to take a pullback where we have open liquidity at this point, and price on the 4 hour section has given me a liquidity run towards upside over here, and currently you're seeing high of the 4 hour low and seeing high of the 4 hour is bullish, and the price has retraced toward the 50% area, taking out the liquidity of the first section. Okay, and on the 1 hour section we can clearly see that 1 hour has given you a liquidity structure shift on the uh, upside. Okay, and now this is your 1 hour swing high and this is your swing low, just because this is our all weak lows over here, which has not swept any kind of liquidity. Price is coming to take out these all liquidity. Once we take out all these liquidity over here and get a 15-minute structure shift, then we can definitely look for some buys order over here. Unless and until we sweep this liquidity, price will try to have a sell off on the 15-minute basis, where your 15-minute structure is still on a bearish side. Okay, and you have got a plus wave, a pullback wave, a plus wave. Okay, we have come to a 50% retracement path, took out all the liquidity, and then we have got a plus wave again. So now currently this is your swing high and this is your swing low on the basis of 15 minute, and we could definitely follow this swing structure towards taking this 1 hour liquidity lows, which are low, which are weak lows present over here. So I hope you like this analysis, and let me know what is your view on the next analysis part. And thank you for watching. Thank you for having me. Have a nice day.